It's another day, another gutom. Habang nag-e-enjoy at nag-iikot ako sa malamig na klima ng Baguio, may isang restaurant na pumukaw ng atensyon ko. Ang dami kasi nag-recommend na masarap daw dito, kaya why not? Try natin. And the name of the place is House of Chops. It's a family-style dining restaurant located at number 15 Outlook Drive, Baguio City. Pagpasok mo pa lang, iba na yung vibe ng lugar na to. Para siyang lake house na very cozy, very relaxing. Dagdagan mo pa ng cool Baguio weather. Alfresco dining ang available, tapos may maganda at relaxing na overlooking sa paligid. Vacation mode talaga. Anyway, tikman natin kung masarap talaga mga pagkain nila dito. Simulan natin sa kanilang creamy Cajun penne pasta. Al dente yung pasta, very creamy yung sauce with a hint of Cajun spices. In fairness, masarap. Pero ito talaga yung pinunta ko dito, yung slow roasted US beef belly. Makapal yung slices na sobrang tender dahil sa slow roasting process. Sinamahan pa to ng kanilang very special na gravy. Sobrang lambot, juicy, flavorful. Bawat nguya mararamdaman mo yung richness ng beef. Sinamahan ko pa nitong mushroom pilaf rice. Ay wala, game over na yan. Pinaulit-ulit kong kainin. Wow, grabe guys, ang sarap talaga. Must order yan. Sinubukan ko rin yung kanilang baked salmon with Tuscan cream sauce. Guaranteed fresh talaga yung ingredients na ginamit. Ang bango ng amoy, very creamy yung sauce, and the salmon itself is very moist and delicate. Pigaan nyo lang nung lemon slices na kasama kasi very rich. Pwede kayong maumay. Marami pang masasarap na food dito sa House of Chops. Follow them on Facebook for more details. Yes, medyo pricey sila, pero sulit naman. Kaya kung nasa Baguio kayo ngayon, make sure na pumunta kayo dito dahil ang House of Chops, pasok sa ating
So flavorful.